start our first lesson, that is linear equation in two variables. And in that lecture we will learn what do you mean by linear equation in two variables and its general form, and as well as some example depend on that. Okay, so our today's topic is simultaneous linear equation. So simultaneous linear equation means what? Pair of linear equation. Pair means what? Two equations, but they are just joint equation, pair of linear equation. Okay, so see, simultaneous equation, we also say that pair of linear equations, so see, simultaneous means pair. Okay, so what is the general form of our linear equation? Our general form of linear equation having a two variables is ax plus by is equals to c. Okay, but in this simultaneous linear equation it has also general form. So see, general form of simultaneous linear equation or pair of linear equation is, here is ax plus by is equal to c. Yes, that like general form is there, but instead of a, b and c there is a1 x plus b1 y is equal to c1. Say it is equation number 1. So according to our topic, that is simultaneous, it means pair of linear equation. So it means we know pair means what? Two equations. So how many equations are there? Two equations. So first equation is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, and second equation is a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Okay, so we were learning our first lecture or first video, what is a1 b1 c1, or what is abc. Abc are any real number, and what is x and y? X and y are any two variables. Okay, so in this general form of simultaneous equation we get two equations. Okay, so when in our ninth standard we were learn two methods to solving such a type of simultaneous linear equation. First method is elimination method, and second method is substitution method. But in this standard we have to learn more methods to solving such a type of linear equation. We have to solve linear equation means what? We have to find the values of x and y. Okay, so we have to find the values of, or we have to find the solution of this equation. Okay, so we'll now I'm going to take an example from our book. So that example are solved by two ways. First is elimination method and second one is substitution method. Okay, so see, suppose example is solve the following simultaneous equation. Example, solve the following simultaneous equations. So equations are given: 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. And second one, 3x plus y is equal to 2. 3x plus y is equal to 2. So see, in this equation we have to solve this given equation. If we have to solve this equation, it means what? We have to find the values of x and y. Okay, so see, according to our rule, so first upon write given equation, solution, given equations. So what is first equation? 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. Say equation number 1. Next, 3x plus y is equals to 2. Say equation number 2. So now I am going to take first method to solving such type of linear equation. So that method is I solve by using elimination method. Is it? So elimination means what? Look, one of the variable we have to eliminate from these two equations. So see, so we have to observe these two equations first. So in this equation we have to observe what? Coefficient of the variables as well as signs of that such a type of terms. Okay, so see this y having a what is the coefficient of this y? -3. And what is the coefficient of this y? We became in +1. Okay, +1. If you have to eliminate y, so obviously their what coefficient should be equal or same. Okay, if you observe this equation, if you have to eliminate y, so you should be multiply 3 to the equation 2. You should be multiply 3 to the equation 2. If you have to eliminate variable x, so listen, when it will be becoming equal, if you multiply 3 to the equation 1, so 5 3 is 15, and if you multiply 5 to the equation second, so 5 3 is also 15. So your coefficient will be equal. So automatically, or we can easily eliminate the variable x. Okay, so in this example or in this equation, I just eliminate variable y. So how I eliminate? So what is coefficient of this y? -3. And what is the coefficient of this y? +1. Okay, if I multiply 3 to this equation second, then see what I get. So multiplying 3 to the equation which? To the equation second. So multiplied 3 multiply by 3, 3 3 is 9x, plus here is no coefficient of y, so it became there is 1. So 1 into 3 is what? 3y is equal to 2 into 3 is what? 6. So say equation number 1, 2, it became in third. Okay, so see now, if you see equation number 1 and your new equation number third, first equation and third equation, if you observe this, see minus sign, here is the plus sign, coefficients are equal, 3 3. Okay, so coefficients are equal and signs are opposite. Coefficients are equal and signs are opposite. So if you have to eliminate this, so you have to do addition. Okay, so add this equation 1 and 2, adding equation number 1 and 3, equation number 1 and equation number 3. So we have to add this. Okay, listen carefully. If we have to eliminate variable y and the signs are opposite, so signs are opposite, so which operation we have to apply? We have to apply addition. Okay, if your signs are same, if it is minus, so it is also minus. If it is minus, so it is also minus. So you have to apply operation subtraction. Keep in mind this thing. Just see the sign of the coefficient. One of the having minus, other having a plus. So you have to apply addition. Okay. So see what is first and what is third. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 8, and here is 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. Plus we have to do addition. So see, minus 3y plus 3y, cut it. Okay, so 5x plus 9x, how much total? 14x is equal to 8 plus 6, how much? 14. Okay, in between no sign, 14 and x having a no sign in between there. So it means there is no sign in between two that type of term. So it means there is a multiplication sign. Okay, so this multiply by 14, when you shift the after the equal to sign, becoming divide. So x is equal to 14 divided by 40. So x is equal to 14 1 the 14, 14 1 the 14. So answer will be x is equal to 1. Okay, then see, we have to solve this equation. It means you have to find the value of x and y. Now in this term, in this step, I just find the value of x. Now by using this value of x, I am going to find the value of y. So see carefully how I find. So listen, substitute the value of this x. What is the value of x? There is 1. Okay, substitute this value of x is equal to 1 in one of the equation, maybe 1 or maybe 2. Okay, substitute or put x is equal to 1 in equation number either 1, 2 or 3. Any equation. I just put this value of x is equals to 1 in equation 2 because it's easiest to solve. Okay, equation number 2. So what is equation number 2? 3x plus 1y is equal to 2. Okay, put the value of x. So instead of x, we have to put the value of 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 plus y is equal to 2. 3 ones are 3 plus y is equal to 2. So this plus 3 became in, after shifting the equal to sign, became in minus 3. Okay, so y is equal to 2 plus 3 became in minus 3. So y is equal to 3 minus 2. How much? 1. And what is bigger number sign? Minus. So answer is minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. So like this, what is the value of x? X is equal to 1. And what is the value of y? Y is equal to minus 1. So it means, what is your question? Find the solution or solve the following equation or solve the equation. It means you have to find the value of x and y. So see, x, y is equal to what? 1 and minus 1. Finish your example. Okay, this is the method of elimination. Okay, or elimination method to solve the given equation. So now I take same example, but I just solve the values of this x and y, or find the values of x and y by using another method. So that method is nothing but substitution method. Okay, so now see, according to the first, we have to write solution given equation, give its numbering 1 and 2. Okay, first and second. So see, I just solve this example or same equation by using substitution method. So I just use by using substitution method. Okay, so substitution method means what? You have to just take any equation from these two equations, find the value of one variable, substitute this value, get this whatever way you have to get value, substitute in equation. Okay, and by using this, find another variable values of another variable. Okay, I just take equation number second. So see, equation number 2 became, so see, equation 2 became, so what is equation number 2? 3x plus y is equal to 2. So you just find, or you just get the value of any variable, maybe x, maybe y. Okay, if you want value of x, so see what you get, 3x is equal to 2 plus y became in minus y, x is equal to 2 minus y divided by 3, and substitute this value of x is equals to 2 minus y in equation number 1. Okay, but if you have to find the value of y, so how to find? So see, y is equal to 2 minus 3x. Okay, that's it. That is simple. So say this is equation number 3. This is equation number 3. So substitute or put this equation number 3 or the value of y is equal to 2 minus 3x in equation number 1 or in equation number first. Don't substitute in same equation. Don't put in same equation, because if you substitute this value of y in same equation number 2, so 3x will be cancelled out, and it will be cancelled out. Then how to get the value of variable? Okay, so just you have, if you have to take equation number second, so you should be substitute the value of whatever you have to get in another equation. Okay, so see, substitute y is equal to 2 minus 3x in which equation? Equation number 1. Do not substitute in equation number 2. Okay, so equation number 1. So what is equation number 1 then? 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. So substitute y is equals to 2 minus 3x. We just have to replace the value of y. Value of y is what? 2 minus 3x in this equation. So see, 5x minus 3 multiply by, what is the value of y? 2 minus 3x. 2 minus 3x is equal to 8. So multiply 5x minus into plus, this 2 having a plus sign, minus into plus, minus 3 to the 6, minus into minus, plus 3 to the 9x is equal to 8. Okay, 5x plus 9x how much? 14x minus 6 is equal to 8. So minus 6 shift after the equal to sign becoming plus 6. So 14x is equal to 8 plus 6. So 14x is equal to 8 plus 6 how much? 14. So 14 and x in between there is no sign, means it means there is a multiplication sign. So if you multiply this 14, when you shift that side becoming divide. So x is equals to 14 divided by 14. So x is equals to what? 1. Okay, just substitute the value of x is equal to 1 either equation number 1, 2 or 3. Okay, as you like. If you want to put the value of x in equation 1, 2 or 3, immediately you have to get the value of y. So see, but it is easy to substitute in equation number 3rd. Okay, so see, I just substitute the value of x is equals to 1 in equation number 3rd. See, okay, so see, substitute or put x is equal to 1 in equation number 3rd. In equation number 3rd. So what is equation number 3rd? So y is equal to 2 minus 3x. So y is equal to 2 minus 3 multiplied by what is x? X is equal to 1. So y is equal to 2 minus 3 was the 3. So y is equal to 3 minus 2 how much? 1, and bigger number sign is what? Minus, so minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. So your last solution is xy is equal to, what is x? 1. What is y? Minus 1. Okay, this is the second method to find out the values of x and y by using substitution. Understand? So today we will learn two methods, that is elimination method and substitution method. Okay.